Okay, so here's the little dryer we decided to go with. It had really good reviews. I got this off Amazon. The name is Deniker, I guess. On the inside here, back here, you just pop that off, and underneath it, that's where you'll change the filter, and that's what comes with it. It has one already in it, and then it comes with it comes with 5 extra. So I think it said to change it, I don't know, once a week maybe? I can't remember. I'll have to look back at the instructions.
That'd be a lot.
Yeah, that sounds like too much, doesn't it? Well, let's just clarify that.
Since you're going to be doing laundry once a week,
yeah, I think that's a lot. So let's just see how often it says to change that filter. It says, let's see. Okay, once a month. The air inlet filter screen is cleaned once a month. So that's the screen part. I guess it's just a thing, you change it when it's dirty. Okay. Alright, so on the back, there is this for the vent that's on the back. You don't have to have a hose. All you do is clip this thing on for the direction you want the vent to go. And so I'm just going to open my door and just, you know, keep that open. Let it blow out that way. And it's really nice anyway. So I'm going to put some clothes in here and see how this thing does. So I really have no idea on how many clothes to put in and how long it takes. So this is going to be just a learning process. But I want to start with 2 pair of pajama pants. Okay. And 2 tank tops. And I just want to see how it dries these first. How cute is this thing? So, I'm not even really sure how to set this. Heavy dry. I'm just going to go heavy dry. Okay. How do I get to that 3? I don't know what that means. Oh, there we go. So I picked 3. Shoot. Go back. What's 4? 4 is warm air care. Heavy dry. I'm just guessing at this. I should read the instructions. I'm just pushing buttons. That's funny. Okay, let's just see here what this says. Power key, program key. First, before using, select the program you want. Through the second at the standby situation, press that. I did that. Oh, 3 seconds. Ah! Look what happens when you read the instructions. Okay, so I picked heavy dry. We'll see how long this goes and how dry they get. So this says they go for 150 minutes on heavy dry. And I would suffice to say I didn't need that with those clothes, and I could put more in it with what I have in it. I'm just really curious. I'm going to check it at like 30 minutes and see how dry they are, and we'll come back. Okay, these definitely aren't done, but it's been about, what, 30 minutes? So I'm curious to see where I'm at 30 minutes. So let's just see. Yeah, I mean, they're getting dry. Well, I think it probably will take the full 150, I bet, though. We'll see. Check it again. Okay. And I do like that it has the digital readout, too. Alright, see see how it is when it's completely done. Okay, it's been about halfway. Let's see if this is any better. Holy crap! That's dry.
And they smell good.
And they smell so good and fresh.
I never thought.
These are dry.
With that little thing.
Half the time that it said.
Well, I'll be dang.
They are dry. Shirts are dry. Wow, I am totally impressed right now. Would you like to see the surprised look on Tyler's face? Trying to figure out how this little thing is drying these clothes.
She's like, I'm going to get this tiny little washer dryer. I'm like, you're wasting money. But, alright. I'm happy.
I'm happy too. These, they probably would have been dried, even sooner than I checked them. I am totally shocked right now. Get this baby. Perfect. Amazon. I think it was $250, $260.
Don't support Amazon. Just support
Deniker?
Dinker.
Okay. All right. Highly recommend, guys. Check it out.